Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to bank account. First of all you have to do is open your Venmo app on your phone, and then you have to click on the Me section on the bottom right corner. From here you will see your Venmo balance and crypto balance. In front of Venmo balance you will see a button called Manage. You have to click on Manage, and then a pop-up window will appear. Will ask you two options and give you two options called Transfer to Bank and Add Money. From here you have to select Transfer to Bank. Click on it. This page will open. You have to enter the amount of money that you want to transfer from your Venmo to your bank account. Once you enter the amount, you have two options, instant and 1 to 3 business days. So instant has a 1% fee, or if you can wait 1 to 3 business days, then it will cost you 0 fee or $0. So you can choose either option, and that's how you can transfer money from your Venmo to your bank account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.